Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Radiant Chrome Gradient design as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm going to be layering Holo Taco Peely Base with Holo Taco Quick Dry Base. For today's manicure, the colors that I'm going to be using are all from Holo Taco. For my base color, I'm going to be using World's First, then I'll be doing a gradient with that, Aquafoil, and Trophy Life. Then on top of the gradient, I'll be water marbling with Wireless Mode, Sunken Secrets, and Light Link. I'm only going to be applying protection once, so before I get started with the gradient, I'm going to do my usual water marble protection of tape as well as liquid latex. For the gradient, I have a makeup sponge, and I'm just going to do one round of each of the colors. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete and the polishes have stopped spreading, I'm going to go ahead and draw in a flower design. Once the design is complete, I'm going to look at where I want to line up my nails and then carefully dip into the design. With my orange stick, I'm going to clean up the excess polish from the surface so that that doesn't stick on my nails. And then I'm going to carefully pull out, and there's the water marble. I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection, and then I'm going to go ahead and marble the rest of my nails. Once I'm done with all the nails, I'm going to move on to cleanup. I'm going to use Q-tips for any larger areas, and then I'll be going in closer on my nail with a small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, once cleanup is complete, we'll be finishing everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. I initially tested each of the 3 chromes on their own as a base color, and I liked all of them, so I decided to go with a gradient and use them all together. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate the holo in this dark blue. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up over on my VODs channel. I'll link that up in the corner. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join this channel as a member for some cool perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.